Ever wondered how to make your time in the kitchen easier and more fun? Well, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the top 10 best kitchen gadgets from Amazon that can totally upgrade your cooking experience. From smart tools that speed up meal prep to space-saving essentials, these must-haves will take your kitchen game to the next level. Subscribe for more awesome finds, and let's check out the links below. The Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker is a fully automatic machine that makes fresh pasta effortlessly. It kneads and extrudes dough quickly, creating smooth and consistent pasta with 3 shaping discs for different styles. You can experiment with various ingredients like eggs, herbs, or vegetable juices to customize flavors. Designed to save space, it fits easily on the counter for everyday use and even has built-in storage for accessories. Available in black and white, this pasta maker is a great addition to any kitchen. The Wabash Popcorn Popper is a fast and easy-to-use popcorn maker, perfect for popcorn lovers. Made from durable aluminum with a manual operation, it pops delicious, theater-style popcorn in minutes. The metal gear design ensures smooth and efficient stirring for even popping. With a 6-quart capacity, it's great for family movie nights or gatherings. Available in silver and red, this popcorn maker is a fun and practical addition to any kitchen. The Farberware Euro Peeler is a must-have kitchen tool for quick and easy peeling. With a sharp stainless steel blade, it smoothly glides through fruits and vegetables, making prep work effortless. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, providing control while peeling. Designed for versatility, it's also great for shaving chocolate and hard cheeses. Made from durable, rust-resistant material, this peeler is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The built-in hang hole allows for convenient storage, keeping your kitchen organized. Available in multiple colors, it's a practical addition to any kitchen. The Evita Kitchen Soap Dispenser Set is a space-saving and efficient solution for keeping your sink area organized. Designed with a sleek, modern look, it features 2 transparent soap bottles for hand soap and dishwashing liquid, along with a built-in sponge caddy and brush holder. Made from durable, corrosion-resistant material, it ensures long-lasting use. The detachable base allows for easy cleaning, while drainage holes keep sponges and brushes dry. With its non-slip design and versatile use, this dispenser set is perfect for kitchens and bathrooms alike. Available in black and white, it's a practical addition to any home. The Mfakoi Salad Bowl Set is a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. With a deep design and a generous capacity, these bowls are perfect for serving salads, pasta, soup, cereal, and more. Made from high-fired porcelain, they are durable, scratch-resistant, and free from harmful materials. Safe for use in the dishwasher, microwave, oven, and freezer, they offer convenience and easy cleaning. The stackable design saves space, while the flat bottom provides stability. With a modern, yet classic look, these bowls blend seamlessly with any kitchen decor and make a great gift for any occasion. The Foensk 2-tier fruit basket is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. With its detachable design, you can use it as a stacked 2-tier rack or separate it into 2 individual trays. It offers ample storage space for fruits, vegetables, bread, snacks, and more, keeping your countertop neat and organized. The open-wire design allows air to circulate, helping to keep produce fresh longer. Made from high-quality materials, the basket features a sleek black finish and sturdy triangle structure, adding elegance to any space. It's versatile, functional, and perfect for use in the kitchen, bathroom, pantry, or anywhere in the home. The Taidoiban silicone slow cooker liners are a convenient way to cook 2 different meals at once in your slow cooker. These liners are made from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone, which is non-stick, BPA-free, and safe for temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The innovative divider design allows you to cook 2 dishes simultaneously, perfect for accommodating picky eaters or creating a variety of meals. The liners are easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and reusable, making them ideal for busy cooks. Compatible with most 6 to 8 quart crock pots, this practical kitchen tool is a game changer for family meals, camping trips, or casual gatherings. The Calphalon blender with a 24-ounce portable Blend & Go smoothie cup is a powerful and convenient kitchen appliance. Featuring a 1200-watt motor, this blender effortlessly handles a variety of tasks with 5 preset food settings, including smoothie, salsa, milkshake, frozen drink, and juice. The blend consistency can be adjusted for thick or thin results, ensuring your beverages are made just the way you like. Reversible motor technology guarantees even blending, while the Add Liquid indicator alerts you when extra liquid is needed for optimal results. With its sleek, dark stainless steel design, this blender is a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen. The Hilfia stackable bento box is an ideal solution for anyone who wants an efficient and convenient lunch container. Made from food-grade PP material, this microwave-safe bento box features spacious compartments with a 60-ounce capacity, making it perfect for sandwiches, salads, fruits, and more. The container is designed with a leak-proof silicone seal to ensure your food stays fresh and mess-free. It also comes with a designated section for utensils, including a knife, fork, and spoon. Whether you're prepping meals for work, school, or a picnic, this bento box offers both functionality and convenience for busy individuals. The LHS Vegetable Chopper Slicer is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that can make food prep quicker and easier. With 7 interchangeable blades, it allows you to chop, slice, dice, and chop a variety of vegetables and fruits like onions, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and more. Made with high-quality 301-grade stainless steel, the blades are durable and sharp. The BPA-free ABS container has a non-skid rubber base, ensuring stability during use. Additionally, the chopper features an ergonomic design and safety protector to prevent finger injuries. It's easy to clean, with all parts being dishwasher-safe and disassemblable for thorough cleaning. The 1.2-liter container helps with storage, keeping your kitchen organized.